Are you a teacher looking to create fun, engaging vocabulary flashcards for your students? Or maybe you're trying to design eye-catching language learning posts for Instagram to grow your following. Whatever your goal, in this video, I'll walk you through how to create flashcards online using Fotor. Hi everyone, welcome to Fotor for Education. Let's jump right in. Here at Fotor, you'll find a variety of templates for educational use. But today, we're focusing on flashcards. First, click on Customize Size to create a square canvas. Hit Apply, and you'll get an 800 by 800 pixel canvas, perfect for both printing flashcards and Instagram posts. Now, I'm going to design some English flashcards as an example. Let's start by adding text to create a call to action card. Does it feel a bit plain? No worries. Head over to the Elements section and search for Frame. You'll find tons of options. Pick one that suits your design, move it to the bottom layer, then adjust the text size and position. Looking better already, right? Still want more? You can add extra elements, like a button to highlight your message. Once you're happy with the design, go to the Page tab and click Duplicate to create a new flashcard in the same style. This saves so much time. Now let's personalize a flashcard for the word car. I'll remove any extra elements and keep just the keyword. But if you want to make it more visual, search for car in the Elements tab and add an image to your flashcard. Looks cool, doesn't it? If you have a bunch of flashcards to make, just keep using the duplicate option and update the content as needed. Easy, right? For online teaching, attracting potential learners is key. So let's add a call to action at the end of your flashcards. Simply duplicate your first page, move it to the end, and type something like, "Let's master English together." You can even add your name and website. Want to make it pop? Change the background element into a search bar to guide viewers to your site. Once you're happy with your flashcards, it's time to download. Fotor offers different formats. If you're printing them, I recommend PDF. It's ideal for crisp printing. But if you're posting on Instagram, choose PNG format for the best results. Here's how it looks on Instagram. Pretty cool, right? And there you go. Now you know how to create flashcards online with Fotor. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy design tips. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next in the Fotor Education series. See you in the next video.